Hi, welcome back to our channel and back to the tutorial for machine learning. Today we want to see the topic, that is what is classification in machine learning. So before going to now the machine learning algorithm, there are supervised under the category of supervised in machine learning. There are two types there. One is called regression and classification. So you already please check whenever doubt about this videos, please check the playlist. You will get the continuation of the classes. And here in regression algorithm, we have already what means the predicted the output for the continuous values available. But when you want to predict the categorical values, we need support of classification algorithm. Let's go for the session today and check it out. What is classification? So classification, there are many definitions available. So we can say classification algorithm is a supervised learning technique that is used to identify the category of new observations on the basis of training data. Remember, and moreover, in classification, a program learns from the given data sets or observations and then classifies new observation into the number of classes or groups here, such as we can say yes or no. So you can say yes or no. Just using some points here. Just using say like that we can say, and moreover we can say a supervised learning technique. I just now told you, you can say the classes can be, moreover the targets are labels available here, and we can say it's a process of recognizing, understanding and grouping ideas and objects into preset categories or subpopulation here. Moreover, a discrete output function y that is mapped into the input variable x, that is y is equal to f of x, where y is equal to categorical output here. And the best example of ML classification algorithm you can say is email spam detector. Let's assume that you have an inbox where we are in mail. When you say log in the email, there's a inbox. Also, there will be two types of mail. So one is called normal mail and one is called spam mail. So here to check it out, which is important, don't know. So if you want to predict everything, we can go and get the help of classification algorithm here. And they say the main goal or motto of the classification algorithm is to identify the category of a given data set. And these algorithms are mainly used to predict the output for the categorical data here, remember. So many things begin the classification. So is a one of the supervised learning technique, remember. So classification algorithm. Apart from this here now, there will be some algorithms associated with this classification that also come under the category of linear or non-linear. Under the linear, we have algorithms like logistic regression, one more called support vector machine. And under non-linear models, we have algorithms like k nearest neighbors, kernel SVM, and native Bayes, decision tree classification. At last, you have random forest classifications. So I hope that you understand what is classification and why we need in the machine learning subject. So the upcoming session definitely we discuss these algorithms and so on one by one. If any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with us the social media what I'm displaying the screen. And if you like the video, please subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.